Imagine seeing instant relief from redness, rosacea, and inflamed skin in just one facial. The Calming Facial offers exactly that: instant, visible results. Reduce inflammation, soothe skin, and leave your skin looking radiant, plump, and calm. This innovative facial combines oxygen therapy with a proprietary calming powder and alpha gel mask to deliver immediate relief and long-term skin benefits. It delivers a blissful healing experience for agitated skin in one treatment. It helps calm skin after other, more aggressive spa treatments like peels, microneedling, and injectables. Reducing inflammation in the skin is essential for preserving its circadian rhythm, as it promotes the efficient operation of natural cell repair and regeneration. Inflammation disrupts the normal cycle of skin cell turnover and can impede the activation of vital clock genes in skin cells, leading to a disturbance in the circadian rhythm. The Calming Facial soothes with calamine and aloe vera to supercharge skin cell regeneration. It exfoliates away dullness with a gentle enzyme trio. It destroys bacteria that causes inflammation and acne with a potent topical oxygen treatment. It visibly decreases redness with anti-inflammatory plant extracts, strengthens skin with telangian peptides, and finally, it regulates the skin's immune system with a calming powder blend and alpha gel mask formulated to restore and soften skin from the inside out. With the Calming Facial, the skin's restorative functions are enhanced, contributing to improved overall skin health. Want to experience these results for yourself? Book your Calming Facial with me today and experience relief from redness, rosacea, and inflamed or irritated skin. You should see visible results in a single treatment.